Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance, but this is going to be a much shorter video than all the other ones I've been doing for this Christmas, I guess, special, sort of. I've had a hell of a day, hell of a week really, and it's Tuesday, guys. I'm recording this Tuesday night. I had a final today in physics, and then I had a whole lab to do in my mineralogy and petrology course, and then I've got a 15-page paper I need to finish knocking out for my natural disasters course, and it's finals week. Well, it's not even finals week. That's the thing. Like, it's a week before finals week, which makes this like so much worse. So I am stressed, and I'm stress breaking out already. It's just, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use what I just got in the mail from Surgery Defect Cosmetics. I found them online, on Instagram actually, and the owner, the businesswoman that owns this, she's actually an Army wife, and her husband is stationed out at Fort Hood. Unfortunately, I didn't get the pleasure to meet them while I was stationed there, unfortunately, but hey, now's a good time. I at least get to support her now. So what I'm going to do is just a kind of candy cane eyeliner type thing. I don't know where my tape is. Oh, I know where my tape is. It's okay. I brought everything out, like, in prep to do all this, but whatever. Anyway, so I'm going to do like a winged liner, but I need my handy dandy tape because Lord knows I can't do these. It's going to be pretty dramatic only because, I mean, I try to go to like my eyebrow like I did that other time. And, I mean, I didn't really do I just kind of filled them in a little bit. I didn't really fill in the tail much, so there's not much to my eyebrows today. We just got back from a small dinner party of one of my wife's coworkers. He is from England, so he made shepherd's pie. And I'm a super picky eater, like super picky eater. So it was actually pretty good. I did try it, which is good for me, if anyone knows me. I'm going to use my Katy Perry white eyeliner. It's just the white, it's just a pencil. I'm just going to take it, so I'm just going to take it for like my base here. And it's not very pigmented, but I don't have a problem with this. So I already have like mascara and stuff on, and I should probably take this off to make this look a little bit better, but I don't care. Alright, so we got that going. I don't know if y'all can see that very well. I am going to grab my compact for my other eye so I can actually see, and maybe we can get these even today. Probably not though. Those are just about even. That's not bad. Alright. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the lid back on this because these dry out pretty quickly and I don't appreciate that very much. But anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe 250-1, my all-nighter setting spray, and just get that wet because these are loose pigments. Here's the red, so it's just a loose pigment. And I'm going to start with the white. Here we go. So as you can see, I have some on my hand here. It's pretty nice, not gonna lie. Pretty happy with this purchase. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this white one and I'm going to go over the entire line that I have already. Goodness. So I'm dabbing and like swiping it because it's kind of laying it down in like a globby type thing. So now we can see it a lot better. I'm going to spray it again to do the other eye. So it almost looks kind of silvery, but I'm digging it. So we're going to take this and I'm going to wipe it off on it's actually a dried out makeup wipe, but it's perfect for this. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry because I feel like it's still a little bit kind of wet and I don't want it to be like a pink. And then we're going to go into the red, and I haven't used the red at all yet. I just kind of played around with the white to make sure that it would work well. So I bought the Christmas bundle, so it came with the red, the green, and the white. So I'm going to do these. I'm just going to kind of dip my finger in. I've never actually used loose pigments before, so I'm not sure like the proper way to use these or even swatch these. So I just kind of dip my finger in a little bit, and I mean, that was just a little bit on me. I wonder if, let me spray my finger. So, wave it a little bit and pat it in there and see if that does anything different. Because I feel like I'm not able to pick much up. Okay, so that's the dry swatch. And then right above it here, oh wow. So, you gotta get, and I don't even know, I wonder if water would work. I don't have water, I only have wine. Wine, it's, like I said, it's been a long week and it's Tuesday, so. This is delicious. I just had my wife open it for me. I'm going to clean my finger off so I don't end up with green everywhere. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to close this one up and I'm going to open up the red. I feel like these should be good to go now, and we're going to just go in. And I tried this once before. Granted, I didn't have these pigments. I used the James Charles palette, but I had a hard time like kind of getting them uniform. This is like got extra sparkles. Can y'all see that in there? That is gorgeous. So hopefully this comes out really well. So I'm going to continue using my compact to do this, just so I can like get a better view of everything. And then what we're going to try and do, here, let me zoom in just a tad. What we're going to try and do is just go over it and, you know, make like the stripes like a candy cane. So taking, where's my other one? I have two. I have like the big one and then I have the mini. So I'm going to use the mini for this. Okay, so I think I got it that time. And I'm just going to dip it in there. And I'm trying to not get too much. I'm worried that if I get too much that I won't be able to like control it very well, if that makes sense. I'm going to start in the middle and work out either direction, so. So it's coming out really pigmented, but I feel like I didn't spray my brush very well. But I don't want it like super wet either. I don't know. This will probably take a couple times before I get the hang of it, but we'll see. Okay, so I sprayed it a lot more. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it came out a lot more pigmented. Okay, I'm going to spray it again. I feel like every time it starts to kind of get, I guess, kind of dry. I don't know. I feel like it's not like picking up enough pigment then. I think that is the key. Oh, I went a little high on that one. Oh well. Okay, and then I'm going to go right in the corner here because I feel like it's like too open. So there we go. There we have it. Now we're going to do the other side. Same way. I'm just going to have to keep this brush kind of wet. So now it is time to take the tape off, if I can ever get it off. There we go, there's that one. Oh, that one messed up a little bit. So, in case this happens to y'all, what I suggest you do is you get a flat edge, like this one, a little bit of your foundation. I'm going to use the Fit Me. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so I can see this a little bit better. So I'm just using the Fit Me. Okay, so I got a lot on the brush, and then I'm just gonna kind of wipe off the excess on my hand. So just like that, and then just like that, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender. And then we're good to go. So there you have it. You have your eyeliner. And the more you practice, the better you get at it. Like I said, this is like the second time for me doing this. I did see someone do it on their lips, but my lips are like extra dry right now. I don't know what is going on with the weather around here. My skin's not having this though, but hopefully Texas will get its act together and stop going from hot to cold, hot to cold, hot to cold. When it does that, I can do some more. I saw some candy cane lips that someone said, they tagged me in on Facebook and was like, you should do this. And I was like, that's really cute. But I'm going to have to practice that one. There's a couple other looks. But if anyone has like anything specific they'd like for me to try out or see if I can maybe accomplish, go ahead and just tag me in on Instagram or Facebook if you're on my Facebook. And I'll give it my best. But thanks.